completing the payment. Now, who would Rottweiss chase after to collect the balance payment? Rottweiss would have to chase that buyer's estate, that buyer's estate to claim for the balance, right? Okay, so it will be messy. It will delay the completion of the sale and purchase. At the same time, there's also a question: when do you actually transfer the shares? When there is installment payment involved. Now, if there's installment payment involved, the shareholders can sit down and agree. They can do this. They can say shares only get transferred when full payment being made, or they can say every 6 months transfer the shares. So for this last 6 months from January to June, in July, let's say the transfer is being done, the trustee will have to calculate how much payment was made from January to June and transfer the X number of shares that represents the last 6 months payment. All right? Or the shareholders can agree on some of the method. But this needs to be stated in the agreement under number 6. Now, under number 7, how long do you want the agreement to be valid for? Also, it's good to state down. Normally, my clients do not list when is the agreement going to expire. All right? So if they don't state it, then it will depend on number 8, which means it will say a company winds up, company gets listed on a stock exchange, death of all the shareholders within 30 days or X number of months that they agree, right? Or there's only left one shareholder who bought over everybody's share, or by mutual agreement to cancel, right? Okay. Now, do people, is there a need to put how long this agreement is valid for? It depends, because some clients, they are eyeing for listing, but they just want to cover, okay, in case before we go listing, one of the shareholders pass away. So we want to make sure that we have a proper buy-sell, and the client say we project a listing in the next 10 years. So I can put down in the agreement, this buy-sell agreement is only valid for 10 years. All right, okay. So at the end of the 10th year, the whole thing, this buy-sell is no longer in existence. All right, hopefully by the time they're listed, yeah. Now, only if those relevant parts that I covered, number 1 to number 8 just now, are dealt with, okay, what will happen is that when they are ready to sign the agreement, all the shareholders will also execute the power of attorney, and the shareholders will also need to sit down and instruct and give instruction to Rottweiss trustee, telling Rottweiss trustee how they want the money in the event they sell the shares, how they want the money to be distributed to their beneficiaries. Okay, the purpose of this trust deed very much is to avoid probate. If you don't have this trust deed, the money will obviously be transferred to the estate of the seller, which means the family will get the money after a long delay, which is no good, because the intention of this buy-sell is to do a quick sale, quick purchase, and then the proceeds quickly go to the beneficiaries of the seller without any delay.